Okay, students, here is the requirement for Project 3, and we've created an internal, external render. We've done those. We've created and rendered a perspective building section. We've done that. And here's part 3 now, is create a walkthrough or flyover. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, I might need to do 2 or 3 videos to get this all covered. Now, I'm starting off in my 3rd floor. I might actually start off on my 4th floor. And again, it's the same idea as when we took camera shots. If I start off on the 4th floor, that's where the camera will situate itself. So walkthroughs begin here under View and 3D View, and click into this point here. Now, there'll always be a little bit of trial and error with this. This is quite a large building. So in order to get the whole building into the shot, you might need to stay away from the building a little bit further than perhaps you might think. So my front entrance is there. So look, there's my first point. Now this is like a spline, if you like. And here's my 2nd, my 3rd, my 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th. Okay, now I'm going to hit escape, and I've created this path here, and what I want to do now is go up into my edit walkthrough. So if I click on edit walkthrough, look what happens. First of all, I get a whole new set of details up here, set of tools, and I have a line now with all of those points. Now those points are called key elements. Okay, they're called keyframes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to work backwards now, and I'm going to train the camera. Look, here is the very last point that I created, if you remember. I'm going to pick up the red point there, and I'm going to train the camera right through onto the entrance here. Now, I'm going to go back previous keyframe, see that? And I'm going to train the camera on that. Now, I want to extend out the field of view a little bit more, like so. I'm going to go back to the next keyframe, and I'm going to train the camera on the building here, like that. Okay, and then we continue to do this all the way around. And again, I'm pulling out the frame, the field of depth, if you like, on that. And I'm going to put that one something like there. And then as you arrange the camera angles here, what is going to happen is that the rendering of the views will interpolate in between each of the key points, and you'll get something like motion happening then. Okay, so let's get that one in there, and we're coming up towards the start here now. Put that one in there, and I'll put that one kind of like so. All right, so do you want to quit? Yes, I want to quit. I've done that. I'm going to hit edit walkthrough again because I want to get access to these tools here. Now, if I run play, now you can see that. See the way the camera is moving around like that? So I'm going to, and I've got 300 frames here, and you can see that it's counting down the frames as it goes around. See if I can stop that. All the way around, and doing this in plan is a good idea because it gives you a fair idea in terms of making sure that you're getting the whole of the building in and there's not gaps there or anything else like that. So this is going to run through all of this here. Let it do that, and it comes to the end. Oh, okay, so there's the 300 frames are done that way. Now, we would obviously like to see what's happening here. So I need to go to a view. I wouldn't go into reset cameras just yet. I'm going to open the walkthrough. Now, here we go. So here's my kind of view. Now, I can do a little bit of tricking around here with the crop boxes as well. And if I went on, say, to the next keyframe, okay, I could change the kind of crop boxes here as well. So